Let's see what the postman has brought today. This box comes from a very good friend and subscriber, great gentleman, John, who has provided me with numerous items. So, a preemptive thank you, John, for whatever might be inside here. Let's take a look. We've got it all here. Nice box. Oh, wow. I guess I could zoom in a bit more here. I'm not sure that that's what's in this box because I already know what's in this box. But let's open up and see what we've got. There's one in the top and one here in the bottom. Look at this thing here. This, I'll move this one to the side for now. This is an OK Cub 074 compression ignition engine, which obviously needs a new fuel tube, which not a big deal. This is a pretty neat item here. I don't think that this particular item goes with this engine, so that'll be interesting. So this, as I said, OK Cub 074 diesel engine. Feels like it's got decent compression. Contra piston moves fairly easily. You can kind of see here. If we zoom in, see if we can see the side of the piston here. All I see is a bright, shiny piston. This thing looks like it could be in really fine shape. So that is really super cool. And I'm really kind of getting into these little compression ignition engines. In fact, I've got a mark here from trying to run that McCoy. But that's really super cool. Like I said, I don't know that that goes with this engine. But there was another item in the top of this really cool box. If nothing else, this box kicks ass. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Holy crap. This is a Webra Piccolo. Ooh, completely froze up. Let's zoom in on this guy here. This is a 0.8 cc Webra compression ignition engine called the Piccolo. This is really neat. That seems to turn. Of course, it's just unscrewed. It's not. I don't know if the contra piston actually. Well, I did feel the contra piston move, but the crankshaft is locked up. Let's see here. This even has a serial number on it. Let's see if my camera will cooperate here. Too much? Too much? Come on, you can do it. You can do it a little bit. Okay, so there's a serial number on here. It's upside down to me. It looks like it says 79. I'm going to have to get my magnifier out here. I can read that. Let's read this here. Holy crap, I still can't read it. 79P37 maybe? I don't know. That's a tough one to read. I think you can see it says Webra here. .08 cc. Really cool little engine here. I hope that I can get it freed up so that we can run this thing, because this one I'm sure will run. This one, I don't know. That's what's confusing me, is how how and why this is in here, because that looks like a little exhaust, but it doesn't go to anything. And here is the needle for this. And that is cool. So, John, you are the man. Thank you very much for these wonderful pieces here. That's pretty freaking awesome. So hopefully we'll be seeing some run videos of these guys coming up in the near future. Thank you for watching, and thank you, John.